Hello guys, and happy National Ceiling Fan Day 2022. So this is, I forgot the brand name of this fan, but it's on low speed. Let's probably run in reverse for you guys. Speed it up. Yeah. And here's a Living & Co. black pedestal fan. It's another Living & Co. disc fan. 30cm disc fan. And let's turn this fan off. Down here is this little tiny fan. Alright, let's go out to the shed. Here's the ceiling fan display in the shed. Some of the stuff on the top of the piano, these are the fan logos. This is a SMC industrial fan. These two are both SMCs. There's a motor of a Hubble breezeway. These are the rainbow blades for that thing there. These are the blades for this. There's some front and rear guards up here. There's a box behind there. That is, I think that's to do with this, but it's not being used at the moment. There's some pedestal legs. And then up here is the main display. There's a downrod to that thing there. This is a SMC polished brass. The wires are kind of hanging down. Let's spin it for you. Over here is a SMC industrial ceiling fan. Let's spin it up. I'm going to spin this one. Here is a Hubble breezeway with a broken blade on. To hug him. I'm going to spin it because that's annoying. Here is a unknown fan. Here is a SMC hugger with a light kit. We have this Casablanca. I don't know the model name, but over here is some backboards. No backboards on back covers and front covers for the motor shrouds. There's some two more guards there. Set of blades. There's a stator ring. There's a front guard. Nothing else over here. That's it. Make sure you guys have a good National Ceiling Fan Day. Stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.